Visiting grandmother.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm visiting my grandmother in the hospital tonight.
That's kind of you. How is she doing?
She's recovering, but she still needs a lot of rest.
I hope she gets better soon.
Thanks, I'll let her know you said that.
Going to the dentist.
What are you doing later?
I'm going to the dentist later. I had to make an appointment.
Is everything okay?
Not really, my teeth are in agony.
I hope the dentist can help.
Me too, I'm so nervous.
Meeting friends for coffee.
What are you doing later?
I'm meeting my friends for a cup of coffee later.
That sounds nice. Where are you going?
Just to our favourite cafe in town.
Have a great time. Say hi to them for me.
Will do, thanks.
Traveling to Cuba.
What are you doing at the weekend?
I'm travelling to Cuba at the weekend. We arranged it a few weeks ago.
That sounds amazing. Is it a vacation?
Yes, a much needed one. I can't wait.
Enjoy the trip. Cuba is beautiful.
Thanks, I'll take lots of photos.
Getting married.
What are you doing next weekend?
I'm getting married next weekend. The date has been set.
Congratulations. Are you excited?
I'm nervous, but mostly excited. It's going to be a special day.
I'm sure it will be unforgettable. Best wishes.
Thanks so much.
Visiting girlfriend.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm going to see my girlfriend tonight. I called her to say I would be coming around.
That's great. What are you planning to do?
Probably just have dinner and watch a movie.
Sounds like a nice evening. Have fun.
Thanks.
Visiting grandparents.
What are you doing at the weekend?
My sister and I are going to visit our grandparents at the weekend.
That's lovely. Do they live far?
Not too far, just a couple of hours away.
I'm sure they'll be happy to see you.
Absolutely, we're looking forward to it.
Marrying the man of my dreams.
What are you doing next month?
I'm marrying the man of my dreams next month.
That's so exciting. Do you have everything planned?
Almost. There are still a few details to finalise.
It'll be amazing. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
Meeting business partner.
What are you doing tomorrow afternoon?
I'm meeting my new business partner tomorrow afternoon.
That's exciting. Is it the first meeting?
Yes, we're discussing some important ideas.
Good luck. I hope it goes well.
Thanks, I'm optimistic about it.
Playing cards.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm meeting up with my friends to play cards at 7 o'clock.
That sounds fun. Is it a regular thing?
Yes, we try to do it every Friday.
Enjoy. I hope you win a few games.
Thanks, I'll try my best.